Sanbona. Guys, I'm trying this English thing right now. You. I'm hoping I won't get in trouble. You. Now everyone can hear me now. You. Even my 4-year daughter can speak better English than me. To me, is not too sure. It's a bit rusty, it's a bit unsure, but I'll try. Yeah. Okay, oh sorry, there's a phone call.
Hello, this is a call from Office of God. Can I speak to Msharwas?
Yes, Mr. Wiseman. How are you, sir?
I'm good, and you? I am the angel of God. Yes. I am your angel. God sent to you. Congratulations, you are looking very, very healthy.
Yes, I hear you.
Stay disciplined. Keep loving yourself.
Of course. I love it. Your advice is very good. It's very on point. Thank you, sir.
You are the great chosen one.
Thank you. Okay, bye now. I'm shooting a video. I'm making a video for TikTok. Bye now. Bye.
God bless you.
Guys, as I was saying, my English is a bit rusty. Now everyone can hear me now. Guys, I have a fan. Hey, hello. I have a fan guy. I love you all. Hey, I'm growing. My account is growing. Thank you. Bye.